Walking today. Walking while we can. Buslot na tawag. O purol. Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Yeah. Nagdalang-dala pa sa balon. Woohoo! Wow! Matthias, so fast! So fast, so fast! Beautiful day kayo. Oh. Enjoying the sun while there is bubalik na po katugnaw agoy. Kulong sa balay. Nice exercise! Oy! Oy! This is gonna be hilly. Good job, Matthias, not even complaining. Sorry to his scooter here. Good job! Here, Nak, in the other side, Nak. Just in case there's car. Yoo-hoo! It's been a while, Matthias. We go walk, huh? Yeah? Master siya, oh. Isa ko do, oh. Gamitan na niya paningtiil. Woohoo! Sila Mama Mary dira, oh. Kamong silingan. Very nice kayong adlaw. Init-init. Siya na pa nagunit. Relax na siya, relax. Relax na si Matthias. Angal. Angal ang walking body. Needs daw siya relax. What's in there? Giraffe? He has giraffe in there. In the pocket. Look at Ezekiel, Nak. Holding your balloon. Let's move on. Ready na daw si Matthias. Let's go na daw. Let's go. Let's go. Dala-dalang balloon isa. Maranig si Binigno. Kaya pababa man eh. Oh. Careful kayong Matthias because it's going down. You're like man dancing. Good job. That's more safe to do. Very nice kayong adlaw. Oy, sorry. Nice kayo. You're like man kangaroo. Whoopsie! Good job! Good job! Very fast na siya. See you later, alligator! Too fast! Matthias is very fast. Walay gunit-gunit. Okay pa, baba pa na. Woohoo! Woohoo! Matthias win! You guys wanna go drawing? Woohoo! Good job, Matthias. After they're walking, drawing daw sila sa pinakadako ng blackboard. Their blackboard is in the street. But make sure, guys, if your kids is drawing in the road, make sure. Watch out the car. Good job, boys. Ba't sa ka nag-drawing nila? Nadara ang little foot in the mountain. Little foot mo ng dinosaur. Uy. A pterodactyl? That's cool. I love that. Busy, eh? Huh? Nothing. Basta na ang adlaw ay take advantage sa sunshine while naapa. Kabasig na. Wala po init. Mangluspad na taan, hindi na ka pa init. Whoa, that's a very long one. Oh, buslot na gudang pantalon ni Matthias. Looy sa buslot. Di bitaw kay tugna bahalag buslot. Ano daw? Taas king drawing ni Ezekiel. Amot ang sanay. Mura na labod. Labod! Wow! Whoop! Ah, you go with brother! Drawing lang na sila. Choke na mo nadaghan sa una. Pabayaan naman sa gawas. Di karon. Mauna lang na. Gamay lang kayo. Binax-box pa ang choke. Karon, gamay na lang. Kay pambiyaan man sa gawas. Di maabtan ulan. Ay, basa. Ano? Matthias, to alas pika sa baryo. Busy kayo. Busy kayo ba? Busy. Very busy? Look at this, Ezekiel na. Very long. Basta weekdays, para sinaro na oras, mingaw ang dalan. But still, make sure na no car will pass. Tapos na yung mga batuts. Bisihan nila, oy. Mag-artist na siguro na akong mga anak. Mainta. Woohoo! Good job! Si Ulis. Go daw ni sa Ulis. Hoy! Uy, hello. New haircut ba ng among uy. My 3 boys, new haircut. What's that, love?
You've been kicking a volleyball out front.
Yeah. So you have the soccer ball. Matias to, mga short hair na. Di na Calgers hair.
Nice soccer ball.
Wow! That nice? Yeah. But when it's sunny again, we play that. Now it's getting rainy. Napod sila dito. Up. Daddy have a secret dito. Hi! Daddy said keep walking because he wants to supplies to find a way for both of them. Pagoy, nagplido-plido pa. Uy. Napang-kuha nila, oh. May color na po sila, oh, ng activities. Here na po me sa Dollar Tree. May balons pa nito. Sila dito, oh. Nagbalons pa man sila, oy. Where man ilang party? That's cute, baby. You just want that, not the helium one, not this one?
He wanted a little one.
Okay, that's fine. Happy na si Malo, no? You're out. What's this? You're out of this world. Good morning. Sunny day. Very nice day. Oh, wow. Physical coloring outside. Matias here, oh. Uy, ka nice. Wow. Ilang color lang kay blue. Naman sila atong kuan, oy. Ready to use. Washable from skin and most clothing. Na sila water diri. Okay, pick another color. Water na kay tarak-tarak. Ibutang na ni mother dira. Wow, good job, Matias. Ezekiel, iyaha ko nung hangi hugasan ang iyahang brush pero iyaha pong isagol tanawa. Magkuha siyang color tapos iyaha pa isagol tanawa ko ng color nagsagol-sagol.
I need more.
Look at all the color, Matias. It's all mixed because Ezekiel just keep mixing color. Look at Matias here, oh. Ang among kuan mag-painter daw ni sila daw. Magnanaka koy artist ani. Ay, artist. Very serious kasi siyang job. Matias here. Artist, oh.
The rainbow bird will away.
Here because it's very
Rainbow bird will
we're here because it's very sunny here. Very direct to the sun. Ay, nako.
I think a
Muna ang among gipik yesterday.
butterfly.
Rainbow butterfly, yeah. Matias have a bird house. Show me daw, Nak. Did you paint it all?
Yeah.
Show me daw, side by side of your bird house. Oh, wow. And you know what? It's a truck.
It's a Thunderbird house.
Thunderbird house. Those yellow truck daw, guys. Thunder daw ni Thunder. Look at Ezekiel coloring all the parts of the butterfly. Oh, need pa siya water. Tuyawa. Water pa. Ang ending. Mix together. Hey, nako, Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Pagka. Now, they paint the rock. Because Matias done man his bird house. Nak, it would easily dry, Nak, because it's very sunny. Oh, you could paint this one too. Look. That one. And that one. There's a lot of rocks we could paint.
I think let's
That lots of rocks.
draw 8 rocks.
Ezekiel, you're not done yet in your butterfly. You want mommy finish it for you? Go finish it. Not a lot of soil. Nangulikta na lang noon siya og rocks noon. Oh.
4.
Nangulikta nag-rock si Manong. Ay! Uy.
Let's find rocks to paint.
Yeah. Kusitaw na, inapsa ng rocks. Nangulikta naman si Manoy og anoon.
That's
Not enough pa, Jod? Lo, almost finished na si Ezekiel. La, Nak, here, Nak, not yet, Nak. And not here. Yet, oh. Wow. He wants to color the inside of the butterfly. Matias is very easy because side by side, like that. Oh.
4,
And then
5, 6.
here. You can paint man inside o inside. Birdhouse iya. Ezekiel na may bangal sa tunga. Wow!
12
Busy kasi Matias. Oy. 12 blocks? Go sit down there so you could have a one. Wala bangko na pastang bubuk kayo.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Ezekiel paint.
He's trying to paint his butterfly. Na. Ang pangwash sa brush, wash na sa hands. But that one nak is washable man nak. It's okay. We could wash. Ako na. Gipinta na ang mga rocks. Wow.
I'm done.
That's cool color nak. Daan na daw siya color ay. Yeah, as long as you not get wet in there because there's water. Good job, Ezekiel. Wow. Wow. Uy. Ay, very serious. Serious kasi Manong. Serious ka, Zong? Oh. Very delicate daw niya. Very delicate na pagka-painting. Oh, hinahinay pa. Oh. Ah? Yours is beautiful too. You can paint more for that.
Because it's very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful than Ezekiel.
No, you both have a beautiful painting job. Wow, that's nice, Ezekiel. Wow, wowie. Ay, very serious. Ay. Very serious kayang eyes ba? Dabi? Oy! Nag-crime. Hala, ka-serious sa painter, oy. Painter. Hala. Uy. Serious kay Ezekiel, oy. Saan ng eyes, oy? Mami, mag-color pa si Mami dali. Dula na daw siya. Na siya dito, oh. Dula na daw siya yung kuya. Tiwas na si Mami, Anissa. Wala na kuluran. Ilang nato itatch ang iyahang kinuluran. Iyahan ng trabaho.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.